Take my sip, nigga.
Oh, that's
They would pay. Advertisement won't pay, you know what I'm saying? Won't pay for the advertising of the beer, so I had to cover it up.
Had to get viral.
Shouts out to what I'm drinking right now.
Had the Benz on, follow me. Just slash.
All right. I'm focus with y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Cadillac, Young Jones, Entertainment, Red Couch, Throw, Smoked Out, all of the above. Deuces. Yeah. I say this money is all that I be thinking of, and love never ever dreaming how a bitch before, and never fucking with a bitch unless that bitch gon' fuck. Forever getting head, nigga never head of us. I'm so general, lieutenant and a sergeant, bruh. Nigga a soldier, how I hit him with my target, bruh, and they ain't hitting me, my nigga got a bargain, bruh. This is off my head. I hope you really feel this freestyle, man, because I'm keeping on everything that is real on this, and I be so laid back with a laid back style. These niggas never see this money we pal. Forever living like Jones. I throw it up until my dying days is gone, huh? Mama told me go and get it, go and bring it home, huh? Shit, I rep my city like a star is on my back. Dallas Cowboys, man, I don't know how to act. I can hit them like Tony or maybe Miles Austin. This is off my head, so catch me running in Austin, catch me running in Austin. Probably be at that relay. Niggas that never see me. Money is what we get, man. Shit, I'm probably paid. I'm living D-Town till my dying days. Forever with my dying days, and niggas never try today. Shit, I just drive away slowly. How we hear them pitch. I'm just probably with your niggas chilling with your other bitch, your gutter bitch. I take your bitch and make her my other bitch. Another bitch is pulling up shit. I'm on that other shit. Forever Cadillacing. I say this freestyle. They never see me. YouTube. I hit them up and speak now. I'm probably all the reach now. I mean, I'm off the leash now. Nigga, they be all loud, but just peep down. This young cat, I get around and I be all of this and that above. They'll never see me, shit. That's the reason they show us love. It's Jones till my dying days. I say that till my dying days. So this be all my dying days until this nigga die. Wait, huh? I say I got my hoodie on and it's all goody, bro. I'm blowing goody, bro, and I'm sipping goody, bro. But they won't even let me play it. In the game, I got it, hold it forever. Nigga display it. Got Corey Rowe in my charger. Niggas know that we harder. Forever getting them charges. And if them charges broader, hey Weezy got my back. He got that need to get that slaughter. And I be with that bitch. I'm in that back and getting your daughter. I'm dicking down all your daughters. Tell them that I'm the father of your motherfucking baby. Yeah, I'm crazy shit. Nigga, I be lazy shit and daisy shit. All at the same time. Yeah, I blow my brains, huh? And bitches blow my brains out. Motherfucker, yeah. I be throwed up off that Jane, huh? Forever Cadillacing. You can't hold me in this lane, huh? Shit, I got a roll for everything that all I know, man. This game got me going on and on and on and on. I be 0, 0, 0 till my bank is hitting 0, 0, 0, nigga, till the nigga seeing more than zeros. You did?
The big long one?
Fuck with him. Jones up. Jones up, nigga. J's up, nigga. Bang. Jones.